next week, but I'm definitely making one for brain. I'm making one for hair, for nails, for all your body parts, bones, the lot. The lot. So subscribe, turn your notification button on. I'd appreciate some comments. It's just going to encourage me that you want to learn a little bit more of what I know. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm trusting that you're doing well. The fact that you're watching YouTube, to me, you're okay. So today we're on a journey of smoothies. I'm enjoying smoothies. I do love smoothies. We're talking skincare. I love all things beauty. If you didn't know, that's my food and drink. I love everything about beauty. So I just want to share my everyday go-to skincare, something that you can rely on a daily basis. Comes dryness, hydration, some sports, the whole lot. I will go into detail as we go further down the road. I'm actually going to do another one of like back to basics on skincare. So if anyone wants to start a new regime on how to take care of your skin on a day-to-day basis, comment down below. I'm going to do it either way. So don't worry about it. But it would be nice to see how many people wants to see what works best for what type of skin, what type of skin concern, and that sort of thing. Anyways, so this smoothie is going to cover, as I said, quite a lot of skin concerns. And if you keep it like a daily sort of thing, you will see a massive improvement in your skincare. As they say, what you put in is what comes out. So you are what you eat. So whatever you put in your body is what's going to come out and show through your skin. So you're going to need avocados. Avocados are amazing in moisturizing your skin and hydration. Bananas are high in vitamin C and potassium. Mint because it's very high in salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is amazing with spots and acne, that sort of thing. Lemon, high in vitamin C. Again, it's very high in antioxidant. Celery, very high in water. Apparently, there is 95% of water in celery and high fiber. Apple, vitamin C, spinach, and kale. So I've washed my hands. Just watch how I do, and I'll be talking you through how every single fruit is going to help with your skincare. With clean hands, you want to shove in a handful of kale and spinach. Spinach is very high in iron. Iron is very good with blood. It forms your blood really. So when you have enough blood in your system, your blood cells are going to be high, and you're going to fight all pollution and radicals. We're going to go deeper, as I said, about what radicals are, about what pollution is, about the sort of things that are bad that are in the air that can ruin your skin easily. I'm using coconut milk. Coconut drink. It can be coconut water or coconut milk. This is very high in vitamin C. It helps in boosting elasticity in your skin. As you're getting older, your skin loses its elasticity, so you want it to be bouncing back. That was my last of it, so I'm going to top up with water. Some people use green tea. Green tea is amazing. I love green tea before all my meals. I have green tea with it. It's a very good detoxifier, high in antioxidants. So I'll do this in steps because the kale and the spinach and the celery might need a little bit more blending than the banana and that. So I'll add the rest after. We've blitzed that for at least a minute. Now what you want to do is add your lemon. What I'm doing here is literally, you need 2 tablespoons of lemon. I'm squeezing it out on a spoon because you don't want the pips into your smoothie. I mean, some people don't mind, they put the whole lot of it, just chop it in quarters and chuck it in. But I don't like the taste of the pips, so I get rid of them before they get in. They're not really welcome in my smoothies. So there you go. And then now what you want to do is you want to scrape the avocado. You can put a whole lot of it if you like. Put the rest of the apple in there. And then we're going to chuck in the banana. Now, I did have someone, have I said this already? I don't think I have. I did have someone say to me, a good friend say to me, bananas bloat me out. What can I replace that with? Just stick to the, you know what I say, stick to the avocado. Avocado is high in potassium. Also, it's very good for moisturizing your skin, hydrating your skin. All of these things have got really high antioxidants, high in vitamin C, high in vitamin. And there you have it. This is what the result. It looks green, it looks fresh, it looks appetizing. It makes you feel like if you drink this, you're gonna go green, you're gonna feel fresh, you're gonna get the best out of all the fruits that you've put in, of which, yes, you are going to get all the goodness that you've put in through your skin, through your brain, through your body, just pure health. So in here we have the avocado, which is amazing for moisturizing and hydrating your skin. We've got the celery, again, it's good for, it's got high fiber, it's got 95% water, which is amazing for hydrating your skin. We have banana in there, very high in vitamin A, which helps in repairing your skin. If you've had acne or spots or, you know, all the things that you don't want on your skin, banana solves that for you because it helps your skin regenerate, it helps repair your skin. What else do we have in here? We have the mint. Mint is amazing because it has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid fights spots, fights acne. So you have the hydration, you have the acne fighting, and you have the moisturization, and you have the repair. What is this? Lemon. Lemon is very high in vitamin C. Antioxidant. What that does is, you know, your skin is attacked with pollution and bacteria from your surrounding. So I'm trying to say, I'm not trying to sell it for you, to you. I want you to give it a go. Make it a habit of having it first thing in the morning before you eat, and last thing at night, because when you sleep, your body detoxifies itself naturally anyway. So that's just going to enhance it, that's just going to help it a lot more, and you're going to see a massive result if you keep doing it this way. And if it does work, I advise you to come back, talk to me. We're going to be talking skincare all the time. I want you to talk to me and tell me what I changed. And if you want to see where to start from, whilst including the smoothie, watch the next video. It's going to talk about soaps and cleansers and moisturizers and serums and ahas and all the good bits that goes into skincare. Before you go, let me stress, if you don't subscribe, if you don't turn your notification button, you won't know that I've made another smoothie that is good for something. Next might be your brain. I'm actually doing your brain one tomorrow. So if I don't post it tomorrow, it might be some point next week, but I'm definitely making one for brain. I'm making one for hair, for nails, for all your body parts, bones, the lot. The lot. So subscribe, turn your notification button on. I'd appreciate some comments. It's just going to encourage me that you want to learn a little bit more of what I know, because I do know this much. I know a lot about skincare. So I've got a disclaimer to start with. I've got a disclaimer down in the comment section. I'm not a dermatologist, I am not an esthetician, but I have over 18 years of experience in beauty. I've worked with amazing dermatologists, I've worked with a lot of estheticians, beauticians. I'm a beautician myself by trade. I get paid to consult people for skincare. Yes, my job is a beauty consultant, and I've worked for a well-known beauty shop, pharmacy, for a very long time. So if you have any questions or any topics that you want me to talk about, to tackle on, don't be scared to. If I can handle it, then I'll pass you on to the doctors, I'll pass you on to the dermatologists that might do, you know, a lot more explaining that I can. But for now, let's have fun with this. Let's have fun with it and enjoy the products and enjoy the smoothies and the chats. Yeah, I want you to come back and watch the next video. So yeah, cheers if you've made one. Let's drink and talk about skincare. Bye for now.